many legs we can do. We have 2 circuits actually. So each circuit has 3 exercises. I would like you to do 2 sets in a row at each one before you progress. So we're basically going to put like 25 minutes on the clock, and you're going to stay down your leg circuit for those 25 minutes. How many sets we can get, we'll see. Hopefully 3 to 4, but we are doing 2 sets in a row. So let's start back here. All right, we have barbell front squat or landmine front squat. If you're going to do a barbell front squat, you have 2 options. You could do your cross or you could do your fingers. The best way to get into it is like a zombie where I come under and I balance it right here. So I should be able to stand up, and you're not going to spin around like this. You're going to stay forward. I should be able to stand up like this and squat without that bar dropping. Now, I don't expect you to squat with like a zombie, so what you do is you go fingertips, fingertips, and then I keep my elbows high as I go down and come up. This is also really good for your abs. The problem is if you grab the bar, it's going to pull it down, so now I'm like leaning forward, the pressure's not up top, and I'm collapsing. So that's why I say go zombie first. Okay, the other option, I have to re-rack it to get into it, is going to be the 2-finger. Now if you have bad wrists, you probably don't want this one, but I'll go here. I come up and under, same thing though, my elbows stay high in the sky. Okay, the second they come down, I'm collapsing, that bar's coming down. Okay, so I come here, right, and up and down. So you're going to have 2 sets of 10. Okay? In the other modification, if you don't like front squat, some people just do not like that feeling in that bar across your neck, that's fine. You can load up the landmine and do landmine front squats like this, holding it slightly away from your chest to keep those abs engaged. Okay, so 2 sets. Then you're going to come over here for bridges. My upper back is going to be on the bench. Okay, it's going to be right leg, left leg, and then both legs. So that means one, right, it's down, left, down, then both are down, right? So we're going to come here, all the way up, all the way down for 10. Okay, then we're going to switch, all the way up, all the way down for 10. And then the last one is going to be both, all the way up, all the way down. So when I'm going down, I'm acting like I want to get that butt to the floor. So even if I can tuck under as close as I can to that bench, that's what we're going to do. If you have a very bad low back, you make a burst instruction, lay on the floor, and put your feet up. Okay, so you go right foot up, left foot up, and both feet up. The same thing. All right, ISO, deadlift with rotation. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is grab kettlebell or a dumbbell. All right, I like to put both feet on the plate. I'm going to rotate down and come right back up. Okay, so I'm shooting my butt back as I lean forward, not bending my knees, and come back up same side. You can also play by putting your toes down, heels up, and get an extra deeper stretch here. You can also play with your foot up, and then go to the plate if you're a little bit taller and you need to bring forward you. All right, so that's just going to be 10 on the right, 10 on the left, twice through. So everything is twice through, okay? And then you just stay here, round and round and round. When we're on this side, grab a kettlebell. Starts with elevated squats. All right, so I'm going to have 10 to 12 singles, 10 to 12 pulses where you come up. All right, I'm going to diagonal that kettlebell here. I'm going to lean forward in the sense of my hinge, but not coming off my heels, okay? You never want your knees going forward. I'm just angling my body forward like this, coming down, 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 breaking plane. So if I check my body here, my knees are behind my toes. Yes, I'm leaning forward, but I'm in a straight line. I'm not rounded, okay? And I'm gonna push up, just like this. Try to break in plane, that's why I'm elevated. And you're gonna go 10 to 12 single, then 10 to 12 pulse. The next one, over here, is bands on the ankle, or the calf, I should say. Okay, just like this. And it's a side swing. Bring it back together, step. I shouldn't write squat, or squat, it's a step, swing, step. So notice I'm kind of leaning this way as I power through. All right, you're gonna feel that big time here. Down and back 2 times. Okay, the last one, which I might have to modify if I can't find my other blocks. All right, you're gonna put a block here, okay, right here for your knee. So when I I stand up like this. When I step back, I'm reaching back while keeping the block up with my knee, right? So that means I'm leaning forward through here. I'm using this to allow myself to fall back away a little bit. But notice I'm not like lunging. I'm just stepping really, really far back. So I have 10 like this, and then 10, 20 pull through, and then switch legs. All right, let's find something in the meantime for us to use. All right, let's play.